Hello everyone, welcome back. If you ever have any issues losing your audio in DaVinci Resolve, here's one scenario that can cause that problem. I seem to have it quite often. Go to the top left, select DaVinci Resolve, go to Preferences, and under System, Video and Audio, Output Devices. Sometimes it'll pick up my microphone as audio, and I won't have any audio. Just select the little arrow, and that's the one I use. Hit save, and I'll have my audio back. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.